Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's nail video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this Halloween nail design. It turned out super cute. I'm going to pop up a picture so you can see it, but I did some spider webs and some spiders and I love how it turned out. I think that it looks so cute. So I just want to say thank you so much to Rosalind for partnering up with me on this video and sending me this polish to try. I absolutely love Rosalind's polish. It's amazing. It's very affordable. So this 6-piece kit is $10 off of Amazon, and I'm gonna have everything that I use in this video, of course, linked below for you. But it's an amazing kit. So you're gonna get the black and the white, and you're going to get your nude pink and then some nude browns, which I love. This is the perfect fall time kit and it works very well for Halloween as well. So Rosalind's polish has a very low odor, so that's one of the things that I love about it, but it lasts for over 2 weeks. You won't have a problem with it chipping or anything, and it's very affordable. That's my favorite part, is that it lasts so long for the price. Because girl, I'm not trying to spend $10 a bottle. I'm trying to spend like $10 for 6 bottles. So I definitely love their polish. And if you like these types of how-to nail videos, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the portion where I show you how to do this Halloween design. Okay, girl, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm just going to start with the black polish. I'm not going to put a base coat or anything down. I'm just going to apply the polish. And I do have on a Beetles nail tip and glue set, which I will link that video for you guys down in the description box if you wanted to check that out. And I'm just going to do 2 coats of this black polish, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in between each coat. I'm just going to take a clear coat and put a thin clear coat over top of them, just so in case I make any mistakes I can wipe it off easily and I'm not messing up the black polish. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this white Rosalind polish and I'm just going to add a little bit more to my cardboard. And I'm going to take a thin detailed brush, run it through the polish. I'm going to start here in the center of my nail and bring it down to the corner. Same thing, I'm going to start here and bring it down to the corner. Just make some stripes going back to this corner over here. Now I'm not going to add any more white polish. I'm just going to start connecting. I'm going to try to do like a little loop. It really didn't turn out like a loop on my other hand, but that's okay. It still looks close enough to a spider web. As long as you connect them, that's all that really matters. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this finger. I'm going to start in the center, bring down to the corner. So now I'm just going to cure this for 30 seconds. So now that I have the spider web done, I'm just going to take some rhinestone glue. I'm going to get a pretty decent amount so I can put in the center of my nails. I'm going to do this on my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb. And now I already have my rhinestones the sizes that I want it. And I'm just going to place these down. So I'm going to do a smaller one, and then I'm going to put a much bigger one for the back. So that way it makes it look more like a spider. And I'm just trying to make sure that they're center, but sometimes they do want to slide around. So now I'm just going to take my clear polish and I'm going to run around the diamonds. And this just helps smooth out that rhinestone glue, so that way it's not like a big chunk of gel like in the middle of your nail or something. So if you do this before you cure it, it just helps smooth everything out. And now I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to do the legs on the spider. So I'm going to start with the smaller diamond, and I'm going to make a line straight out and then down. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Straight out and down. And then I'm going to curve it a little more. Out and then down. Same thing on this side. Out and down. So now the same thing for this back one. I'm going to bring it out and then down, out and down, and then again out and down. And it's harder to do it on the pinky because it's so small. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cure this one for 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to repeat on my middle finger and my thumb. now I'm just going to clear coat all of them. Okay, and of course, you know I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. Okay, girl, so this is the completed set. I love how they turned out. The black is very black. I only had to use 2 coats, so I appreciate that. But I love how the little design turned out. I think it's super cute. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me down in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.